Up to now, I've been using this little Brave 4 action camera to do most of my videos. I had it out earlier today and I got it wet, soaking wet to where it actually would not work, would not turn on. So I went ahead and ordered a new one. I figured it's about time for a new one because this one's old. And as you can see, it's all scratched up. So it's time for a new action camera. So I ordered a Vemont action sports cam, full HD, and I'm hoping it's going to give me some better video quality. This was what's supposed to be in the box. Let's open this box, see what's in here. I did go for the blue one. Apparently they got several different colors. I didn't want black because I already have black. So that's a nice looking camera overall so far. Got the waterproof house and mounts. Plug in. Looks like a couple other GoPro accessories. I paid $25 for this off of Amazon. So I'm gonna get that out of the house and see what that actually looks like. About the same size of, yeah, same size as the Pro. The Brave. Battery should be in there. The battery's supposed to last. Hey, it turns on. The battery's supposed to last 90 minutes. So it does come on. So that's the Vemont. So hopefully it'll give me some good videos. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel.